Okay, so I'm not much for reviews, and I do not do reviews ever, and I've never done one, but I just figured since I was doing some research about this, and you know, the very first place you go is YouTube to see you know, who's posted this and what do people think about it, and is it something that I'm interested in. So this is what we are going to be reviewing today. This is the Zeus Mini Magnetic Swivel Clip Light. So it says it's waterproof, 33 feet, 10 meters, rechargeable, 360 rotation, and GoPro mounts compatible. Now, I have used this product for about 3 weeks now, and I absolutely love it. And it's probably something that a lot of people are not going to like. Maybe it's an overpriced flashlight. Maybe it's, you know, I'm just, you know, just spitting words out. You know, maybe you don't need it. Maybe it's not something that you are going to be using on a daily basis. Maybe it's not something that you could use. But for me, I am a lover of flashlights, which is the weirdest thing, but it's something that I'm using almost daily. So, you know, let's get into talk about it a little bit. So this Zeus Mini Light, it comes with, you know, a couple different features. We're actually going to ditch the box because we don't need it, because we have the thing right here. So this is it. This is the Mini. This is the Zeus Mini. It's a pretty well built. You know, considering it's a light. That's exactly what it is. It's a light and a clip. Now, whenever I bought my GoPro is kind of about the time that the light mod came out, and I bought the light mod, and I actually have a light mod, but you know, I used it and it did a pretty good job. I still use it for, you know, the lighting situations, if they're, you know, low light or whatever. But I did not know that the Zeus or Zeiss, however you say it, Mini, was the same thing basically, just a little bit longer battery life. But if you actually take this off here, like this, so I had one of these already. I already had one of these, and you know, basically, I didn't know, you know, what I was ever going to use it for. But this Zeus Mini actually came with it. So this is the light. It's exactly identical. The only difference is the top button here has the actually power symbol on it. That's really the only difference I found. Besides, it's just a little, I mean, it might be brighter, but I haven't really seen a difference. But it does last a little bit longer, I think. That may be wrong, but just what I've used it for, it seems like it lasts a little bit longer. So this goes on here, and then obviously you have your mount here that he just, you know, comes off somehow. Yeah, like that. It's a little hard to get off, but basically you just, this is your little clip. So I paid like 70 bucks for all this together, 75 with taxes and stuff, but I'm actually pretty happy with it. I've used it on a couple different adventures that I've went on. We went to the Ohio State Reformatory, and some parts of it, of the prison, it's a prison, right? Some parts of the prison is dark, so I did attach this to my little three-way thing, and it did pretty well. I did have my light mod, but I didn't, you know, use it. I wanted to use this just to see what it did and see if I could, you know, I mean, if this could be something that you could use. And it is. It clips onto cars. It's got a magnetic strip down here, so you can put it on something magnetic or metal. It did come with this little diffuser here, but you know, all in all, I really like the product. I know a lot of people, you know, are just gonna bash it, and you know, whatever. You can do whatever, but this is just my personal review. This isn't something that you know, it's, you know, I guess this could reflect on you, but I love this product, and I'm really glad I bought it. I bought the light mod for $50, and I bought this for 75. So you know, you can piece this together, I'm pretty sure, but it's going to cost you a little bit more, so you might as well just buy it all together. But I love this product, and I would recommend it to you. If you did have 75 bucks to spend extra on a flashlight, like I said, that's what I like. I love flashlights, and I kind of collect flashlights, and I love the GoPro brand. And GoPro is kind of slowing down a little bit just because of the pandemic. So I really love what GoPro has done with all of their products. So I just wanted to give this a try. You know, my intentions were to try it for a little bit, and then maybe if I didn't like it, to return it. But I'm not going to return it. I love it. You can take it camping with you. You can take it, I mean, just about anywhere. You know, if you hike, and you know, it's rechargeable. So I mean, it's just, you just pop that in there, and it charges it up. I've actually kind of mounted, I have a power strip, a little power bank. It's probably about the size of this clip. I just put it on the back here somehow, and you know, have a rubber band that I tie around, and I just plug it in there, and it charges as I go. So that's basically what I do, and I love it. And like I said, I would definitely encourage you to buy one. And if you didn't have a light mod, this also doubles as a light mod. So yeah, that's about it. I just wanted to go over that, and yeah, you're gonna see this cat here. It's Carol Baskins. So yeah, that's about it. Thank you guys for joining me today, and yeah, that's it. Ooh, it's weird in here. It's weird in here. So can you imagine? Show you guys how I use the mini Zeus. I said that I mounted the power bank on the back with a rubber band. I actually ditched that power bank and found this one. I got it at Walmart, I don't know, for like $7, but it's actually it's like metal inside, so I guess it magnetizes that pretty well. But you know, this is my setup. This is what I use for every video. I'm actually filming this on my phone. But yeah, this is how I use the mini Zeus, and I love it. You know, it is kind of janky looking, but it's practical, and it works really well. I don't have any problems with it, and if it dies, I have the power bank hooked up to it, so you know, little green lights on, it's charging. So I mean, this is my setup. I do a little bit of ghost hunting, and I like to go through old buildings and old towns and stuff like that. And normally I don't have that on there unless I'm going through, like I said, you know, the prison we went through, High State Reformatory, had that on. Usually if I'm just going through an area that's dark and doesn't have a whole lot of light, that's how I like to clip it on there like that. But yeah, that's the setup.